guys, Joe from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the NOTWOWAYZ Lucunas. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Send that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown out our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Let's go. So today we have a look at the NOTWOWAYZ Lucunas. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I apologize to Rockwell, Princely, and Callux. I know you guys are watching. I'm so sorry that I must have pronounced it wrong, but let us know if we did, and I just want to learn, you know. We're here to learn. Before we get unboxing, let's have a look at the box. You know, it's very different to the NOTWOWAYZ reviews that we've done in the past. Check those out, guys. We give love to Rockwell, Princely, and Callux. Those guys are inspirations to us here at Oneupreviewz. They're fellow YouTubers. Well, Callux is, Rockwell is a sneaker designer, and guys, you knocked it out of the park again. Unfortunately, these aren't my pairs. Big shout out to co-founder of Oneupreviewz, Christopher, who we will be throwing over, showing footage of him trying these on because these are his sneakers. So big shout out to Chris, big shout out to Rockwell, big shout out to the NOTWOWAYZ guys. You guys do so much for the community. If you guys are privy to our sneakers of NOTWOWAYZ in the past, we have done tons of NOTWOWAYZ sneakers reviews, so check that out. Again, I'm going to keep repeating myself because we'd like to get those views again. But this is a different box to what we are familiar with. They usually come in a brown and orange box. However, this is an all black box, and that is to represent the sneaker that's inside. It's a nice touch that they've gone here as well. You've still got that little triangle window, but it's more of a silhouette rather than the actual window that you can see through. NOTWOWAYZ on the side here, and you can see it all around with the signatures from Callux and Rockwell found at the back of the box here. So before we get unboxing, we've got these NOTWOWAYZ, the Lucunas or Onyx Black colorway. We got these in the UK size 6, it's a European 39, and it's US 8.5. Here they are. So like many before it, Apra City, this sneaker is of that runner sockline family vein. The only difference is the colorway. So this is obviously an all black mono, however you want to put it, or Lucano. I believe that means moon. Could be wrong. I'm pretty sure I'm wrong. Let us know in the comment section below what Lucano means, because I'd like to know. And I want to know if I'm pronouncing that right as well. But it's a black mono, really nice finish. Kids, if you're looking for your school shoes, try and get these and get away with it if you can. I'm pretty sure Chris would have got away with these at school. And again, it's similar to the past renditions. These sell out, obviously, because, you know, anything associated with NOTWOWAYZ now, I think of these are instant sellouts on the day. Obviously, you got that big YouTube following, and as a sneakerhead myself, these are really dope sneakers. So let's get into the nitty gritty. We'll start with the outsole. It's an all rubber outsole using recycled rubber, I might add. You can see all around here with the lug. There is a window here, so this middle part is the foam. Midsole, you can see it's an all black foam. Midsole right there, it's there for the cushioning and support for the underside of your feet. The upper, you got an array of beautiful materials. You got cuts of suede, cuts of nubuck here, and synthetics as well. So just underneath you can see perforations right there. The cuts on the mudguard here, you can see the suede right there. It's not as hairy, but just underneath, right there on the toe box, is the beautiful cuts of nubuck. The sides of the sneaker, again, incorporating the cuts of suede, the cuts of nubuck, and some synthetics. So you got a ripstop here that goes from here on the lateral sides all the way around the heel to the medial side. That's there. I like this black finish. It reminds me of old school DC skate shoes with a big tongue as well. Lacing system uses rope laces in a fast lace system. Big fat laces, I think. Just gonna double check. It does. It comes with another pair of laces. So if you're not a big fan of an all black one, you can go with this black and silver right here. Nicely padded. Essentially, this is a sock liner. It's a runner at the end of the day. Great protection there as well. Nicely foamed, nicely padded. Tongue, again, foamed and padded, just like the ankle support around it. Little tab here. So unlike renditions before it, this tongue loop is a bit different. It looks like it's got a cryptic language. It's like something that you'll see out of the Matrix, and it's in that black mono here as well. At the back, so you've got the pull tab, that little bit of fabric I told you that goes from the lateral to the medial side here as well, might act as another pull tab. And you can see the two sock liners, so you got the main body of the sneaker and the sock liner right here. On the inside you got foam cushioned insole, no two ways in the black mono colorway, logo there also. Just want to point out you've got little bits of branding, so you can see here at the where your little toe would be and at the heel of the outsole right there. So that rounds off my review. Like, this gives me big DC chunky trainer sneaker vibes because of the colorway alone. It's really nice to see that they've done an all black version. I'd love to see, oh, do you know, it'd be cool. So Callux, Rockwell, if you guys are watching, probably can you guys like do an all orange sneaker? That would be so dope. Just, you know, I'm just giving you my suggestions. Like, listen, if you wanna co-sign it, let's do it. All that said, I can't wait to show you the footage of Chris trying these on. He's got tons of No Two Ways now. His collection continues to grow. And yeah, so pretty sure you're sick and tired of seeing my ugly mug, so roll it over to Chris's beautiful face.
Alright guys, you already know with No Two Ways, the fit is always spot on, so get true to size. If you like a snug fit, they don't do half sizes, I don't think, or maybe they do, I don't think they do. So yeah, I would suggest going true to size, comfortable as always. They've made some slight changes, but you know, we'll talk about that in the proper review. Thanks for watching guys. As always, remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, that's OneUpreviewz with a Z. Until next time, peace.